Welcome everybody, Darren here from Leader, and today we're showcasing the UniFi Access Starter Kit. Ubiquiti UniFi Access is a next generation state-of-the-art access control system for your business or even your house. This subscription-free, secure and scalable door access platform is designed with ease of use and security in mind. Today we're doing an unboxing of the UniFi Access Starter Kit. This box contains everything you need to get started with UniFi Access. So, let's get started. So the UniFi Access Hub, which we have here, this is where all the magic happens. It is a secure input-output hub that authenticates input registered by the access readers that we see on here. We've got the Access Reader Lite, Access Reader Pro, as well as other inputs that, as you can see, can be plugged into this device here. Now, we do recommend to use something like a UDM Pro to set up, configure, and manage the whole UniFi Access ecosystem. It's a great, obviously, front end as being a UniFi OS console. Then you can see all of your applications combined into the one field of view, which is fantastic. Now, the Access Hub is powered by PoE++, and being powered by PoE++, you've also got 3 additional PoE ports here. Now, being a PoE++, you can actually power PoE pass-through directly to the other 3 ports. Now, if you have a little of a closer look, you'll see that you've got little images underneath here. Now, it is recommended, but not essential, that you plug in something like the Access Reader Lite, Access Reader Pro, and maybe something from the UniFi Protect range like a G3 Flex into the top here. So there's some really good suggestions on the top to power PoE pass-through from one into the other. Now on the front as well, you've also got a little reset button here. Typically you'll find that underneath on the back, but this case it is on the front, as this would typically be wall mounted directly to a wall or into a secure location. As you can imagine, it has security front of mind. Now, on the sides, you've got a wide range of 12-volt power connectors to plug in things like monitors, sensors, push buttons for releasing a door, for example, maybe even a siren, as well as locks like this, where you've got little door locks like this that plug in via the black and red cables into the side here, and away you go. Now, on the back, you'll find a metal bracket for the DIN or DIN rail mounting option, and there's also additional hardware in the box to help mount the UniFi Access Hub. So next we have the UniFi Access Reader Pro, which is this little cool unit here. Now I'm going to take all of it out, and it's got a bit of a mounting option in the back here, so I can unclip that. I'm just going to leave that there for a sec. Now, this is the UniFi Access Pro Reader, which is designed for superior guest experience and employee convenience. It's powered via PoE, and you've got a little reset button on the back here as well. So as we said before, you can plug it directly from the Access Hub directly into the Access Reader Pro. And then this will power up and turn on and then connect into it, which is where we recommended the UDM Pro to manage all this environment and these devices. It is a premium NFC and Bluetooth reader. So inside here, you've got things for, as I said, NFC and Bluetooth reading. It's got a nice sharp display on the front here, and it also has got a high resolution camera. As we said before, this is security as top of mind. So you can use this as a little camera if you've got it mounted to a secure door. Then on the front here, you can put it into different modes. Now you've got a pin code mode where you can assign a specific pin to specific users for them to use to unlock the door. Under here, you've got a little doorbell symbol. So this is exclusive. This one and the pin code is exclusive to the Access Reader Pro. So you can long press the doorbell icon, and the Access app on the smart device will receive a notification for them to be let in. Now, on this particular one, as well as on the Access Reader Lite, you've also got NFC mode, where you can use a physical NFC card, which will open in a sec, or maybe your smart device or smartphone to actually unlock the door. So this is a very cool little unit. Actually, it's quite small if you compare it to my hand here. Underneath here, as I said, we've got the mounting bracket. Now this is got a nice little seal on it as well, so that just clips in like so. And you've got a little screw hole at the bottom here. This will make sure that it is secure and no one can tamper with it. And then underneath, you've got two little containers where you've got the additional mounting stuff in through here. So make sure that you do have a look at that one there. And then underneath here, we've got next section. They do like their little levels on the bottom here. And then you've got additional mounting brackets in through here. Make it a nice little seal that goes over the top, make it look real professional. So I'm just going to put that one there away. Alrighty, so next we've got the UniFi Access Reader Lite, which has also been designed for convenient use and secure access. Now on the back, it's also powered via PoE. I love that feeling when you peel off the little plastic. So this is also powered by a PoE, and you've got a little reset button on the top here. Now this is also, just like the Access Reader Lite, it is also a premium NFC and Bluetooth reader. Now both the Lite and the Access Reader Pro are equipped with the latest NFC security standards, including AES 128 encryption. So that's absolutely fantastic. So you know everything's going to be safe and secure. Now, just like the Access Reader Pro, you've also got a couple different modes that you can put this one in. Just like the Access Reader Pro, you can use the NFC cards to tap on to unlock the door to gain access. But exclusive to the Access Reader Lite, you've also got something called the hand wave mode, where all you need to do is simply wave your hand over the reader and that'll unlock the door. Now this is typically used for when you're exiting a building. Now just like the Access Reader Pro, underneath you've got different mounting options as well as everything you need to make it look swish on the door there. So that's a couple different units there. I'll leave that one in there. Alrighty, and lastly we have the UniFi Access card. Well, 20 to be precise. Now these are highly secure NFC smart cards designed specifically for the UniFi Access system. Now the card itself is encrypted with both AES 128 encryption and with UniFi Access proprietary security mechanism. Now with these additional security measures in place, they can protect the card from any leaks or any duplication. Now for your information, both the Lite and the Access Reader Pro are used to program and assign the NFC cards or NFC enabled smartphones to a user's profile through the UniFi Access application, managed through something like a UDM Pro. Now, lite has plenty of the UniFi Access starter kits in stock. So if you're looking at deploying this into a building or maybe to your own home, then I would highly recommend to start here with the UniFi Access Starter Kit. Now, if you've already deployed these units into maybe a hotel or a business and you're wanting to deploy additional units, lite also sells these items individually. So check out the lite dealer shop today, and thanks again for watching.